Chapter 6 QBasic Creating Graphics. Magic Carpet. Using graphics, screen and color statements, drawing lines diagonally, piece set commands, line and circle statements, paint statement, using new image screen. QBasic programs can not only display text and alphanumeric output but also display colorful graphics and commands. Using the various graphic commands, various types of figures, design patterns, and different color styles can be created. Using graphics. In QBasic, graphics on the screen can be created with ease and are also very interesting to display. The pixels are used to draw lines, figures, and patterns of different shapes. Let us start by understanding display characteristics of the monitor. There can be two common modes of display: text mode, graphic mode. The text mode is used to write the programs and get specific output. The graphic mode, on the other hand, is used to draw figures on the screen. The commands for this purpose are screen 1, 2, 3, screen 13, etc. The pixels of the screen are defined by the numbers used with the screen statement. There are two modes in which the computer screen works. Medium resolution. The computer screen in medium resolution is divided in 320 by 200 pixels. High resolution. The computer screen in high resolution is divided in 640 by 200 pixels. Screen statement. This statement is used for setting the screen resolution. Screen mode parameter. Many screen modes can be used in QBasic. Each mode has a different resolution and also supports different number of colors. Screen mode number, resolution, colors supported. 1. 320 by 200 pixels, 4. 2. 640 by 200 pixels, 2. 7. 320 by 200 pixels, 16. 8. 640 by 200 pixels, 16. 9. 640 by 350 pixels, 16. 10. 640 by 350 pixels, 2. 11. 640 by 480 pixels, 2. 12. 640 by 480 pixels, 16. 13. 320 by 200 pixels, 256. There is a facility to change the screen mode with higher resolution. For this purpose, there are broadly two different methods. Method 1. This uses the same screen mode as in QBasic. Method 2. This uses the _new image statement, which allows the user to set the color depth of the screen along with width and height of pixel values. By applying screen_new image statement, the screen mode can be defined as it has predefined screens. Color statement. Color statements help to set the screen display colors. The correct color number is required for the specific color to be selected. This statement helps in setting attractive screen colors. Its syntax is color space parameter space F. Color space parameter space B. F is used to specify foreground, whereas B specifies background color. 16 color options are present, specified by value 0 to 15. Example: Draw command. To draw a straight line in any direction on the screen, the draw command can be used. The line drawn is with the help of a pointer in the middle of the screen. Using the particular characters, the line can be drawn in any direction. The letter D is used to denote the downward direction. Other commands like U for upwards, R for right, and L for left can be used for respective directions. The syntax is as follows. Draw direction into angular bracket length of the direction close double quotes. Example: drawing lines diagonally. There are 4 types of diagonal statements that are used to draw lines in different directions. We will learn each of them with examples. E. This statement can be used to draw a line diagonally in the upward direction towards the right side. CLS, screen space 7, color 2, 50. Draw E50 in double quote, end. F. This statement is used to draw diagonal lines in the downward direction towards the right side. CLS, screen space 7, color 2, 3. Draw F50 in double quotes, end. G. This statement is used to draw a line diagonally in the downward direction towards the left side. CLS, screen space 7, color 7, 8. Draw G50 in double quotes, end. H. This statement draws a diagonal line in the upward direction towards the left side. CLS, screen space 7, color 12, 14. Draw H50 in double quotes. Drawing images. Different images can be created using the draw commands. CLS, screen space 7, color, 2, 6. Draw E20 semicolon F20 semicolon L40 in double quotes. Draw R20 semicolon F40 semicolon L60 semicolon E80 in double quotes, end. pset command. The full form for this command is point set. This command can be used to set the pixels at any location of the screen. This allows the user to draw figures by changing the value of the x, y coordinates. The point from where the lines are drawn is set in the middle of the screen in the draw command, whereas in the pset command, the pixel value can be set as per requirement and the figure can be drawn from any point of the screen. Syntax: pset into bracket x, y. Here x represents columns and y represents rows. The graphic screen generally consists of 320 columns and 200 rows. The concept can be understood by understanding the location of columns and rows on the screen graphically. CLS, screen 13, pset 3, 9 into bracket followed by a comma 2. pset 356, 120 into bracket, 1. pset 145, 106 in bracket, 6. pset 170, 130 into bracket, 13, end. CLS, screen space 7, color 13, 14, pset into bracket 110, 50, outside bracket, 5. Draw F40 semicolon L80 semicolon E40 in double quotes. pset 140, 120 in bracket, 2. Draw H20 semicolon R80 semicolon G20 in double quote, end. CLS, screen space 7, color 5, 6. pset 100, 50 into bracket, 15. Draw E20 semicolon F20 semicolon E20 semicolon F20 in double quotes. pset 90, 120 in bracket, 14. Draw E40 semicolon F40 semicolon E40 semicolon F40 in double quotes, end. Fact Genie. When drawing vertical lines, the x-axis coordinates remain the same for the starting and the ending points of the line, whereas y-axis coordinates will change. The vice versa is true when drawing horizontal lines. Line statement. This statement allows the user to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. To get a better output and proper colors, the screen mode, which supports all the 16 colors, should be chosen. Syntax: line x1, y1 in bracket minus x2, 2 in another bracket, color. The starting and ending coordinates of a line drawn in specified color is represented by x1, y1 into bracket and x2, y2 into bracket. Line 60, 20 into bracket, 44, 20 into another bracket, 1. Starting from points 16, 20 all the way to points 44, 20, this program draws a blue line. Example: draw boxes. Using the line statement, one can also draw boxes. Screen space 7, color 2, 7, CLS. Line 60, 60 into bracket minus 130, 100 into another bracket, 6, B. End. The letter B is used to indicate the box option. The coordinates in this statement are the opposite corners of the rectangle. The BF option can be used to fill the box with color. Circle statement. This statement allows the user to draw a circle, ellipse or an arc of a circle. Syntax: circle into bracket x, y, outside bracket r, p. The center location of a circle on the screen is specified by the coordinates x and y. Screen space 7, color 2, 5, CLS. Print: the given figure is a circle in double quotes. Circle 160, 100 into bracket, 70, 15. End. Paint statement. To fill an object with color, we use the paint statement. This specifies the coordinates from where the figure starts and fills the color in the enclosed area. Syntax: CLS. Screen 7, color 10, circle 100, 100 into bracket, 50, paint 100, 100 into bracket, color space 5, circle 201, 100 into bracket, 50, paint 201, 100 into bracket. End. New image screen. This statement is used to create a new screen size that has a higher screen resolution using the predefined screen options. The _new image screen statement changes the screen resolution and uses the selected screen size mode command in QBasic. Magic Scroll. Other than displaying text and alphanumeric output, QBasic can also be used to display colorful graphics and figures. Pixels are used to draw lines, figures and patterns of different shapes. There are different screen modes in QBasic. Attractive screen colors can be set using color statement. The mouse pointer can be set at any specific direction using the pset statement. Put a